It's fall, and the garden's starting to fade. It's time to grab my shears and head out to the lavender. There's something about pruning, about letting go of the old to make space for new growth. And while fall isn't the main time to prune lavender, there is one really good reason to do a light trim now. So come along with me and I'll show you how to prune your lavender so it's bursting with blooms each summer.
Hi, good morning. As you can see, this bush is kind of scraggly, not very even. It has a lot of old dead blooms from the summertime. So what we want to do is actually just do a light pruning of this into a mound shape. What that mound shape is going to do is it is going to evenly distribute the snow load over this coming winter, and then branches will be less likely to break under pressure. And less broken branches means less chance for rot and disease to get into an open wound of your plant. I forgot my shears, but I do have kitchen scissors, so any sharp, clean scissors will work. I usually sanitize my shears with hand sanitizer or alcohol. So we can start by just going in here and trimming off the old flower stems.
If your plant has any long, leggy stems near the ground, you'll also want to trim those back. We're not pruning all the way back into the wood this time of year. Make sure you still stay above the green growth and only trim the long, leggy stems you need to maintain that nice, rounded shape we talked about earlier. Whenever you're pruning, make sure to always cut on an angle. This will allow any water to run off nicely instead of staying on top of the cut. In late winter or early spring, when the plants are dormant and the weather is dry, we are going to come back and cut these down to the woody stems. Don't worry, there will be plenty of new growth in the spring, and this is what prevents your plants from becoming long, leggy, and woody. If you're a visual person like I am, here is a quick photo to illustrate what I mean by this. Remember, this is the before, and this is the after with the blooms trimmed off and some light shaping. These principles for pruning lavender can be applied to other woody herbs as well. Think of thyme, for example. Now that I have all these lavender cuttings, I'm not going to throw them away. I'm actually going to bundle them up and hang them up to dry. Hang your lavender in small bundles somewhere dry. They'll be ready in about a week or so. Once they're all dried out, I'm going to make a super easy 2-ingredient room spray with them. And if you want to see how I do it, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video.